Hello, Klahowya families. This is Scott McDaniel, principal of Klahowya Secondary School. Today, I am giving you a welcome message for our virtual open house. Um, in this age of COVID, I know that many of you may need to be at home or may want to be at home due to COVID risk. And so we understand that. We're trying to help you out as best we can. Our staff has put together a number of videos to support you getting to know them and their instruction in classrooms. Tonight, we are going to have an open house that is on Thursday, September 23rd. It will go from 6 to 7 for families with A through L, and then M through Z, or A through K is 6 to 7, and then M or L through Z is the second hour from 7 to 8. We really strongly encourage families to consider participating in our open house in a virtual manner this year. With COVID and everything else going on, I can tell you we've had lots of incidents over the last few days, much more than what I'd like. And so, trying to keep our families safe, want to make sure that our doors to the school stay open and that our sports and activities are available for our kids. So, if you are in desire of coming in to visit with staff, many of our staff will be here this evening to be able to say hello to you. In the meantime, this website has a wealth of resources. So on the main page, we put some information on how to access PowerSchool and check grades, some stuff from our counseling department and our library. If you click in the upper right-hand corner to teacher information and videos, you're going to go over to our staff list, and all of our staff has created videos to welcome you to our school and in many cases to talk about their classes. So with that, I want you to know that we appreciate you being part of our Klahowya family. Klahowya has a wonderful student family community, and we are excited to have you be a part of it. I know many of us really wish that COVID was not in place. We really miss being back to full in-person events and not doing things in a virtual manner. So we wish you the absolute best. Please check out our virtual resources. If you would like to come on campus, please know that we will have some staff here for you to be able to connect with. So we wish you the best. If you have questions about Klahowya, please reach out to our office, and you can always reach out to me individually. Thanks so much, and have a great day.